It's that time again. It's Dora double feature time. First up, Just Like Dora. Then, after that story, stay tuned for the Puppy Twins. Dora the Explorer. Just like Dora. Hi, I am Dora. Do you like surprises? Then follow me. Hop across the rocks. Hop, hop, hop. Splash in the water, just like me. Row across the lake. Row, row, row. Slide down the hill, just like me. Are we there yet? Not yet. Swing on the vines. Swing, swing, swing. Jump over the logs, just like me. Here we are. Guess what we see? An ice cream party. Yummy! We did it! Dora the Explorer. The Puppy Twins. Hola! I am Dora. This is my friend Boots. This is my puppy, Perrito. We're going to a twin party. Perrito is excited. Perrito has a twin. Perrito's twin will be at the party. We need Map to show us the way to the party. Look, Map has a twin sister. Map says that first we must go to the double doghouse and then over the twin mountains. At the double doghouse, we see a puppy. He is stuck inside. Boots will try to open the door. The door does not open. In English, we say open. In Spanish, we say abre. Boots says abre. The door opens. The puppy is free. The puppy has a twin. Off we go to the twin mountains. The twin mountains look too steep to climb. Look, here come our friends, Johann and Franz. They have a rope and harnesses. The rope and harnesses can help us. We all grab the rope and harnesses. Up, 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 we climb. At the top, we see a slide. Down we go. We are almost at the party, but Perrito is tired. He needs an energy biscuit. Perrito eats the biscuit. Now he is ready. Off we go to the party. I see my family, but Perrito cannot find his twin. We need to match up all the twins. Will you help us? It worked! Perrito found his twin brother. Oh no! We see Swiper. Is he trying to swipe that dog toy? Oh! Swiper did not come to swipe something. Swiper came here with his own puppy. And that puppy is Perrito's twin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed these 2 stories, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.